Alright, Dad. I'm still able to go over there. Look over there. Yeah, it's not getting off. Bruno. Alexander Sheffield. I'm gonna see if I can see any fish. Wait, can you hold this for me? Hold it. Wait, do you have the tripod on you? There. I wanna show myself real quick. Okay. Tripod. And we're just gonna have some lake watching. I wonder how good my phone's zoom is. See the trees from here. I wonder how good the zoom's gonna be for whenever I go to CapCut. I wonder how good the zoom's gonna be when I go into CapCut after this. Dad, remember how I used to go over here?
Maybe not.
I won't go over there. So you allowed me to do it last year? Don't you trust me? And I got new shoes. I know how to use the scripts. You know how I know how to grip onto wood? Yes. Dad, let's try to do this chest exercise. 5 tall. Well, Dad, why can't I look at the fish?
You can look at it from this side here. Are you about ready to go?
1 sec. Let me just climb over there and then get the tripod. I'm gonna have to. How do I close this? I'm trying to use that.
You gotta unlock the gray ring first.
What gray ring? This?
The ring right there. No, the gray ring that's around there. Yeah, there you go. And then pull it over.
Oh, then I can.
Now it becomes a selfie stick.
And I can use this for vlogging.
Yeah, you can use it as a selfie.
Okay. And I just need to loosen it just to pull this down, I think.
You don't lose your belt, just push it down.
Like this. Yeah. Nice. Water. Look. Hey, Dad, I'm gonna put this at this height. Is that okay? Okay. Okay. Hey! Wait. Shark! What? This camera's pretty good. Now I see why you upgraded it, Dad. Now I see why you gave me the other one. This one's way better. Oh. Here's some leave info. I'm gonna want to snap a picture of that. And then a picture of that. I'm gonna be taking pictures of all information that can or will be useful soon. Woo! Why do I feel like Mary Poppins?
I don't know. Like Mary Poppins, is that your name?
I guess. We're probably gonna have multiple nature stops to look at the water. But we are gonna go on a bridge and I'm gonna hang my phone off the edge to see if this thing's really secure or not. We just wanna get the maximum. Okay. Woo. I love taking multiple videos at once.
Yeah.
Technically, because guess what? CapCut, I can add videos.
Yeah, you can edit all of them.
Yep. Wait, Dad, did you standard. Standard.
You should be.
I'm not
Logged in.
English.
Okay, well, I'll show you. Do you have it on your phone? Did you download it on your phone or only on the laptop?
No, on my phone. Only my phone.
So
Yes.
maybe you just need to log in properly. Oh, it feels like you guys both really needed this.
What?
Go for a little mental.
Hey, can you help me set
Sorry
this?
for these people coming. What is it?
No, I just.
What is it?
Look, I'm gonna try to do this as well, and then. So see this? One sec. Okay, let's go. Can you give me my walking stick back? Look, I can hold both of them at once. Look. Why is there a red marking? One sec, I might need to take a picture. That could be useful. One sec. Another one? Why is there red markings on these trees? Oh, hey, nature resort. I'll meet you at the nature resort, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, over there. Look, it's over there. Don't you see that little wood area?
We're almost there.
Yep, I'm gonna go over there. What? I'm gonna go the hard way, Dad. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna turn it to a nature documentary real quick. Okay, as you can see, there's some nice lake water. Ooh, look at this moss. Fresh moss, maybe some dead moss in there, but that's some freaking good moss. Ooh. Okay, we got a little water area. I got my walking stick. I found a water area. Dude, I found an area. That's a little bit of water. Like it's its own little lake. I will be. Dad, you trust me, right? I feel like I'm in a Pokemon game because I'm walking in this long grass and I don't know what I can find. Okay. We got up the long grass. Swamp area. Nice. That's good. There's a lot of wood around here. Literally. Like I think most of this place, most of the deep area that I just explored has been wood. Like actual just tree. Let's go hang out by the water area again.
Let's go over here by the lake area. By the bridge.
Yeah, by the bridge. Yeah, can we just... Nature! Nature run. I don't know anymore. Is that a broken tree or is that a bird and woodpecker? Okay, that will be useful. Why am I so excited for woodpeckers of all things? Over here.
Okay.
Over, and I think we go right there. Look, do you see that mini pathway?
Oh, I do see it.
But I don't know where Bruno went.
Far further on. No, I think he's down there. Look. No, that's not him.
That's not him. But look, here's another lake / lagoon area. Here's another lake lagoon area. Okay.
Clip farming.
Yeah, that's a thing for some reason. I don't know what.
Roll.
Huh?
Roll.
No. There's another term.
Oh.
Clip farming.
Huh?
Where you just farm out of context clips. That's why.
Bring it right there.
Up. Think fast! No, it's not. Think fast, Chuckle. Think fast, Chuckle. Just kidding, I won't throw it. Can't. We're almost to the bridge. We're on our way. On our way.
There's a dog coming up. Be careful with the stick, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
On our way. Okay, I'll hold my sticks. I'll hold the GoPro. Look, too good. Too good.
I appreciate that. I sent you a message just in case. It's just so good out there, huh?
We're on our way. We're on our way. We're gonna make it to the bridge. Not break my phone. Not break it. If I would, that would be very unfortunate because I am recording and I don't want to lose this footage and get a new phone. But I'm on my way. On my way. On my way. On my way. We need to get a break soon because this is a really long path. We're on our way. On our way.
Are you enjoying the walk then?
Yup.
Yeah.
Ooh, hey, let's breathe. I can't get that piece. But we do need to get wood for avoiding some shelter for whenever he wants to come back. But he doesn't want to come back, but he wants to sleep at the house a little bit.
Yeah.
He's
He's kind of become like Luna, huh?
yeah. Or Mike, because we found out it was a boy.
Yeah. Mom said last night that she was trying to capture that other black cat. I'm like, you already have 2 cats. Why are you trying to capture the other one?
Well, because there's a prophecy, basically.
There's a prophecy? 3 black cats?
Yes, we need 3 black cats, sir.
What kind of prophecy are we going to be fulfilling?
Having 3 black cats in this.
The 3 black
Oh, no thanks.
Huh?
That's, I don't know what that is.
Ooh, get up close with it. Here, let's take this.
No,
That's
no.
where you have this. Look,
It's
you gotta
a
go. Go like this, look. Where'd it go? Where is it? That's not a moth. That's like a hornet.
Then why are you filming it? Run. Bye-bye.
I put my life on the line for you. I just put my life on the line for your content. What if I had died? Why are you zoomed in so much?
Because I can.
It's gonna reduce your video quality so bad.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm gonna kill you. Not literally. Hey, Dad, that can be copyrighted. Dad, use your headphones next time, okay?
You can edit it out.
I don't know how to do that yet, and I can get
You'll just cut it as a clip.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna eat your soul. What? Nothing. Bruno's all the way, though. We have it. Well, these past few minutes have been crazy. Come back for a crazy, wacky adventure of going underwater with not a waterproof phone. Oh, I need a break over here, man. Dad, let's get up close with the water and be eaten by the alligators. That would be some good content, right?
Getting eaten by alligator? Oh, heck yeah, that'd go viral.
Okay, this is a joke. I think we're gonna have to put a trigger warning at the beginning of the video, man. But we're gonna have to put a trigger warning
Oh yeah.
because of you, Dad. Literally, we are not actually gonna be eaten by alligators
No.
or planning to. That's why I'm gonna be having to put a trigger warning.
Hey, people are walking around here trying to
Oh yeah. Oh.
relax.
Oh, look at the water, Dad. Dad, can I drink that water?
No.
Why? You're no fun. Dad, you're no fun. You're straight up no fun. Also, come back. Come back here, please. I just want to get to the bridge already.
Oh, yeah.
How about you?
Same.
Are you also filming something? Are you filming something for TikTok while I'm trying to post it on YouTube?
What? It's like we're in a paradox or something.
What the hell, man? Well, but at least I get to edit something and not a 2-second clip or something. Well, I think we just passed by a spider nest, a jumping spider nest. Sorry.
Who's down? There's people that are like on the water trying to relax and stuff. It's supposed to be relaxing for people, you know?
Oh yeah, I forgot. But Dad, I think we just passed by a jumping spider nest. Where a jumping spider has their eggs or something. I don't know. Hey, do you want to sit down, man?
Sure.
So I'm gonna go on YouTube now to take a break and watch stuff.
A couple of seconds, okay? Because you're.
Get back here! I have to take a break. We're needing. Oh, this is gonna make some perfect. This is gonna make some perfect ASMR content. There's ducks here. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna be a little quieter. Yeah, we're gonna be for this portion. We're gonna have some ASMR area. Dad. Dad, can we take a break here? Yeah. Because I'm going to start filming something. I'm going to be, after seeing a tobacco hornworm for the first time, even though, yeah, it's my first time seeing that.
Luna.
I thought it was a dangerous bug or something. Bye. Well,
Careful with your stick now.
I don't know anymore. Is this dumb? Because my phone is right over the... My phone is just over the water, y'all. One sec. Yeah, by the way, this is my normal phone. I'm not even using CapCut right now when I'm filming.
Ah, I see it.
I think I'm just gonna make a little stop here.
You're gonna make what?
A little stop.
Make a little stop. And then do a little reflecting.
Mm-hmm. Like that.
No.
Like that. This is how people even make those like fake videos to put you to sleep.
Oh yeah, like a what a MSRT whatever
Mm-hmm.
you call it. Why are you doing that, man? Why you gotta
To
like
freak
freak
you
like that?
out. Freak you out, Dad.
No, I did not.
You little son of a gun.
Your face.
Dad, if you actually did, I was gonna scream violent cuss words at you off screen. I was gonna yell. I was just, yeah, that's what I was gonna actually do if you did. Okay? Give me that water, dude. Yeah, I mean that water.
Oh, it feels so nice here.
I mean that water. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Doesn't it feel so lovely here with the wind,
Yeah.
the air? Oh, here. Okay, I didn't. Okay, here.
Okay. Could you believe that we were all the way over there?
I know, right? You just have to walk all that right there.
Yep.
So we got probably a good 45 minutes of walk.
Yeah. Took care of water. One sec. Hello. Wait, Dad, I want to do a transition. Let's see how smooth my transition comes out. Woo! We are back, and I just stopped by a dragonfly nest where little baby dragonflies are in the water right now, I guess. Because I see 2 dragonflies protecting that area. You know?
Yeah.
Because dragonflies are underwater animals first.
Oh, are they?
I think so. One sec. But can you finish that up? I don't want to stop filming it again. Because, the first time...
Do dragonflies start off as underwater animals? Wait, hold on. Do dragonflies start off as underwater animals?
Let me search it up.
I was going to tell you, this is where we're going to come if you come in October. I was here with the boys just now. This is where we used to come all the time.
Oh, that's nice.
Hello.
Yeah, it's a trail right here.
Yep. And
You play with Papa?
mm-hmm.
Video. Yeah, so.
I just realized I've been filming this video wrong view, so I have to do this.
Yeah, in October should still be nice. October will be about 65, 70 degrees and then in November it starts to be about 45, 50 degrees.
Uh-oh. Hey.
October, so September, October.
Y'all, what I'm about to do. Whew. I'm gonna go down. Whoa, what's this? Y'all, you can read that if you want. Whew. I'm not gonna be begging for subscribers. I just wanted to do this since we did go for, and since I haven't been here for over a year. Dragonfly. I'm very familiar with dragonflies as I remember having a whole storm of them back on my old house back in Dallas. Also, yeah, you guys get to have some spinning rotation. Get the water back. Also, are we almost done?
Yeah, we're more than halfway.
Yippee, was the bridge halfway?
No.
What do you mean it was?
That little cabin that we walked by, remember where you can take a break?
Uh-huh.
That's halfway.
Okay.
So then we're gonna go grab some.
I think we've been here for like at least 3 hours or
Oh
something.
my goodness. We're gonna grab some cookout on the way home. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh look.
Woo! I think that was a blue monarch or something.
Maybe, yeah.
Monarch that was blue? Ooh, what is this?
Those are dogwood berries and dogwood trees.
These are dogwood trees? Cool. Are they good for dogs?
No, it's just a kind of wood.
Oh, well, I was making a pun.
That's just the name of the wood.
I was making a pun, though. Okay, since there's a lot more people here, since we're past halfway, I'm gonna have to be cutting a lot. Because since they probably don't have permission, since I don't have permission at all, probably, to show their faces, I'm having to cut a millisecond before the camera actually sees their face. Right, Dad?
Right.
Because that would be highly taken off of YouTube, honestly. Hey, Dad, guess what?
What?
I have a lightsaber. Look. Look, Dad. Look. Look, Dad. Look. Camera saver. Woo. Woo. So for no more people out here. Woo. I like doing long form content like this. I'm mainly a shorts YouTuber. Well, the shorts are a short, easy way to update, but it is kind of grind out with the views. And since my long form, funnier content, except that's not serious content like how I've been doing most lately, with the little Master Sheet thing, brain rot idiot, you know. Up 1 sec.